My name is Kathy and I'm from Davao. I am a non-practicing interior designer. I usually do construction mostly for my friends and family. And why did I join bootcamp? Well, I think bamboo has always interested me. And the feel of bamboo, the texture, the movement and all that. So, and I love also the thought of planting bamboo and even creating something out of bamboo. Yeah. Well, I think basically reading about it and listening to, the videos and all that is easy. So what I did not expect was really, no, I expected it anyway, doing the construction and feeling the bamboo, planting, propagating and all that, and even cutting. But actually doing it was unexpected. It's not as easy as it looks, but I think not as easy, but it was very enjoyable. Ooh, that's kind of hard because it seems like all are my favorite. I think I like the construction part because of my trade, but I love the propagation and the management and all that. That one I kind of love also. Yeah. Okay. Parang ano eh, it's like every day there's something special. Of course, the first day was getting to know people, and then the second stage is just feeling the bamboo and just understanding bamboo and how, as you've said, they're the boss, not us. Yeah. And then now, because they're the boss, they're kind of telling us what they want from us and what they want us an end result, like probably the house and the furniture that we're building. So, and I'm trying to do justice kasi parang sayang naman eh, ang ganda-ganda niya as a plant, and then sana it will turn out nice also sa end product. Yeah. I think well, younger generation, I think, because the younger generations kasi now, parang they're so stuck with the computer and being home or sitting down in a cafe. For them, I think parang yun na, that's life for them, in the cafe. And then because they think that they can make money just sitting there and not experiencing outdoors and all that. So I think they should experience outdoors. They should experience feeling materials, the plants, breathing fresh air and all that. And not only that, but experiencing people, because a lot of them parang hindi na masyadong, they're not as social, I think, as the older generation, like me, My generation was very people-oriented. So sila hindi na masyado. So I think they will benefit a lot from it, and also because they need to take care of their future. So this is for them actually. I think after a while I just got a little bit complacent because I was trained to be very systematic and be on time and be there. Somebody says this, you have to listen and communicate and all that. So after a while, because I've been all by myself, and I tell myself, I don't compromise anymore, At my age, I don't want to be compromising anymore. But I think I still have to. And it doesn't mean because I'm old, I shouldn't adjust. I still should, Because when you adjust, you kind of fit in. You fit in with people, you fit in with nature, you fit in with your environment. So I think that's realization that I have. And also that another realization is that I think it's, even though we feel a little bit frustrated that we feel that there's little change in the world, it doesn't matter. But as long as you put change in your small area, then I think that will matter.